Fetch AI is one of the AI coins that I believe is going to give us an easy 10x in this bull market. And on today's video, I will be focusing on my short-term and also my long-term price prediction analysis, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures and the Fibonacci's. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart by first giving you my long-term price prediction analysis, you can all see that last year in 2023, we saw our bear market lows before we started an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 3.479, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. And after we picked in that Elliott wave count 1, I was expecting a bit of a short-term breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the bear market lows to that high in that Elliott wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. And that target area lies between the 1.853 and the 0.9114, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for that second wave. And in the next coming weeks, Fetch AI is going to start an aggressive bounce to the upside in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive Elliott wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliott wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that Elliott wave count 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $6. And based on the current prices that we have at the moment, a bounce to that minimum target area will easily give us a 6x to the upper side before we can expect a short-term pullback in an Elliott wave count 4, then another massive bounce that can easily get us back above the $10. And if that happens based on the current prices that we have at the moment, that will be a perfect 10x to the upper side. So that is my long-term price prediction analysis. And I also need to say that we need to continue holding within this blue target area, and a break to the lower side of this blue target area will be increasing the likelihood of us getting a total reset or maybe a massive breakdown move, giving us a reset of the bear market lows. But as long as we are holding within this blue target area, expect higher prices in this Elliott wave count 3. Jumping to the 1 hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis, you can see that after getting a massive breakdown move on the 5th of August, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, where we first picked in this Elliott wave count 1. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliott wave count 2. Then we started another bounce to the upside in an Elliott wave count 3 in a move that peaked above the 1.479. Then we started a bit of a corrective structure in an Elliott wave count 4, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliott wave count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, an area that we have now fully maximized. And at some point we had seen a break to the lower side of the fib level 0.5 in a move that continued to hold above the fib level 0.618. And as a result of that, I'm still giving this Elliott wave count 4 a benefit of doubt that this is still a corrective structure in that Elliott wave count 4, and we can still bounce to the upside in the formation of this Elliott wave count 5 in the next coming hours. So there are high chances that in the next coming hours, you are going to see a reaction of this target area over here, bounce on significant key areas of support, break above significant highs, and fully maximize our minimum target areas in these Elliott wave count 5 in the next coming hours or maybe days. We also need to have in mind that in case we continue seeing selling pressure in the next coming hours and we get another breakdown move in a move that can easily give us a breakout out of this blue target area to the lower side, and maybe at some point we also lose significant key areas of support, then that will be suggesting that we have now hit invalidation points for this Elliott wave structure that I have on the charts, and there is a chance that this whole structure over here was just an ABC corrective structure, and this could be the start of another 5-wave move to the lower side in a move that can easily give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August, or maybe give us a breakdown move below the $0.7 in the next coming days. So that is all I'm expecting here on the Fetch AI chart on the short term and also on the long term. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.